Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. Today we are fixing up my wife's old car, getting it ready to sell. There's pretty much just one thing wrong with it, and that is that this grill is missing. So I've got a new grill here for it. The old one, this has a restored title. It was in a front end collision. I think they had to replace everything down to the engine when they sold it. So we got it for a pretty good deal. The engine had less miles than the vehicle. It's run well for us, but just again, the lack of space is why we're getting rid of it, and why I've actually recently fixed up this CRV, which I just put that quarter panel on today. So you'll be seeing this video after that one, obviously. And yeah, this one was just never quite on right. In fact, you can see this is the old piece right here that's busted off, and it looks like they just kind of threw it back together. So it shouldn't be too terribly hard to do. We're gonna get this new one put on and get it in a lot better shape, a lot better looking, ready to sell. It is missing the logo, so I may order a logo, I may just leave it, but it just looks really trashy with that grill missing. So we'll replace that and get it looking a lot better. All right, so we just need a few things here. I'm probably gonna end up using some zip ties down here, since the little clips that these are supposed to go in are missing. But up here, I'll probably just break these clips out. They're pretty old and nasty, and just replace them with new ones. And I've got my body clips up here. Okay, and then we need a flathead to get these off. It's probably a 10mm as well. I'll use a flathead and see if it comes off. If not, I'll grab that 10mm. All right, here we go. That's gonna come out nice. I did miss one clip over here as well. That should be the last one. I've got my little bin of body clips out here, so I'll just grab those in a moment. This feels like it's not really coming out at all. All right, so this is one of those weird little like clips that expands on itself, a rivet, one of those like body rivets. Looking under there, it's spinning freely, so I'm gonna go grab my favorite pair of Knipex pliers and grab the bottom of that while I undo it. All right, so I've got a hold on that with my pliers, and I'm gonna just put that 10mm on there and take it off. I may reuse this. I may think of something else to hold this all together, since I don't like it that much. That's it. It's just one of those weird little rivets that you can screw into. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, we've got this piece off. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the new one up and see exactly what needs to be done. I'll probably just put a zip tie through those to just hold them in place and not be so difficult to get off in the future. So some zip ties, some body clips. And down here looks like it may actually be fine if it's just gonna sit up against that. It shouldn't flap around, so yeah, we'll grab some zip ties and some clips. Now I've actually got these really wide body clips. I'll just put those in this bottom piece here, like that. All right, looks like these ones are gonna work well. That's the thing about this specific kit I have. It just seems like these body clips never are quite the right size for what I need. These ones are good though. There's my little one crying in the background. Okay, that'll do it. I think that's pretty sturdy. It should just push against there in the wind. I'm not too worried about it being restored kind of like my wife's new one, because there's just a lot more going on behind the scenes than is worth taking a look at. So there's a quick video for you. A little get this grill back on this busted up old car, and that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. That was a quick one. If you liked what you saw, consider subscribing, consider becoming a channel member, like, comment, whatever to help the channel grow. Anything's appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'm Ernest. We'll see you on the next episode.